Hello and welcome to our video review of the new Taskin Xplorer wheeled rolling travel backpack. In this video, we are going to take an in-depth look at the features and benefits of this amazing backpack. Are you tired of carrying around heavy backpacks while traveling? Do you want a backpack that's more efficient and convenient for your trips? Look no further than the Taskin Xplorer backpack. The Taskin Xplorer is a wheeled rolling backpack that offers a laptop compartment, expandable and convertible features, as well as other features that make it the perfect backpack for travelers. We'll talk about the design, capacity, and durability of the backpack as well as how to use its many features. The Taskin Xplorer is the backpack you didn't know you needed for those long trips. In this video, we'll show you why you should consider the Taskin Xplorer for your next adventure. Welcome to our review of the new Taskin Xplorer wheeled rolling travel backpack. In this video, we will take an in-depth look at the features and benefits of this amazing backpack. Body, design and capacity. The Taskin Xplorer backpack has a sleek and modern design which makes it a stylish choice for travelers. It has a large compartment for storing clothes, toiletries, and other essentials. One of the standout features of the Taskin Xplorer is its laptop compartment, which can fit laptops up to 17 inches. The compartment is well padded and offers excellent protection for your laptop. The backpack is also expandable, which means you can increase its capacity when you need to carry more items. Additionally, the Taskin Xplorer backpack has a detachable daypack, which can be used separately for short trips. Durability. The Taskin Xplorer backpack is made from high-quality materials, which make it durable and long-lasting. Its frame is made from aluminum, which makes it sturdy and able to withstand heavy loads. The backpack is also made from water-resistant materials, which means your belongings will stay dry even if you get caught in the rain. Wheeled